Today, we are exploring two common Russian phrases that pack a lot of punch. Ничего себе и так себе. Let's break them down. Ничего себе literally translates to nothing for yourself, but don't take it too literally. It's actually used to express surprise, amazement, or disbelief. Let me show you how it works. A gymnast performs an incredible backflip sequence. Spectators in the audience gasp, clapping, and looking amazed. Ничего себе! Wow, that's incredible. A person happily looks in the mirror after her hairdresser finishes cutting her hair. Satisfied with the result, she says, Ничего себе! Wow, it's perfect. Так себе, on the other hand, is much more subdued. It literally means so-so and is used when something is mediocre or unimpressive. A person takes a bite of food, looks slightly disappointed, and shrugs. Так себе. So-so, used to express indifference or a lukewarm reaction. Someone gets a haircut and glances in the mirror, tilting their head in ambivalence. Так себе. Kind of okay, I guess. So there you have it. Use ничего себе when you're blown away, and так себе when it's just not that great. Which phrase are you going to try out first? Thank you for watching and happy learning!